Okay, what we have here is the gauge to check the tube engagement on two different size tips. The two smallest size tips that we do. These are the calibration blocks, and one of them is, these are nominal calibration blocks, so it calibrates the gauge to the nominal position of the engagement, which on the smallest tip is 0.105, and on the second tip is 0.165. We have these blocks labeled with our mold numbers on the opposite side, 6748 and 6750, and then on this side is the nominal engagement, which is 0.105 or 0.165. The first step is to calibrate, depending on which tube you're checking. You simply put the gauge up against here and firmly press and make sure that it's tight, and then you take your dial and zero it. So now this indicator is zeroed at nominal at 0.105. So then you set your tolerance from the zero, so whatever the tolerance is on that tube engagement dimension, just move those, and then you take and you hold the pin here so that you can insert into the tip, and you push lightly until you feel it bottom on the tube face. You'll be able to feel this pin bottom on the tube face. Once you're fully engaged, you then push forward and be very careful not to squish the tip against that face, but only push it until it makes contact. Very light pressure when contact is made. If you can't see any light between the tip and this block, you've made contact, and then you can look at your indicator and see if you're within your tolerance range. And that's how you use the gauge.